Hey YouTube family, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back once again to our daily hacking news series. Hit the like button to give a shout out to our team. So today the video is coming a little bit late. Sorry for that. Actually, there was some sort of. So now get into the video. So first news is basically related to log4shell, which was very famous in previous days. So basically, the US CISA and the Coastal Guard Cyber Command warns of attack exploiting the log4shell flaw in VMware Horizon servers. So the US Cybersecurity Infrastructure Agency CISA, along with the Coastal Guard Cyber Command CGCYBER, published a joint advisory to warn of hacking attempts exploiting the log4shell flaw in VMware Horizon server to compromise targeted networks. Let's see if there will be any other update coming in the upcoming days. Now next news is related to a spyware. So Google Threat Analysis Group TAG revealed today that RCS Lab, which is an Italian spyware vendor, has received help from some internet service provider, which is called ISP, to infect Android and iOS users in Italy and Kazakhstan with commercial surveillance tools. So the RCS Lab is just one of more than 30 spyware vendors whose activity is currently tracked by Google. And according to the Google tag analyst Benoit 7 and Clement Sinage, so during attack that used try by the download to infected multiple vendors, the target were prompt to install malicious app to get back online after their internet connection was cut with the help of their ISP. This is such a huge thing. If your ISP is not going to work and this is showing like install something, then it will going to work. So this is so bad. Now next news is related to Chinese hackers. So two Chinese hacking group conducted cyber espionage and stealing intellectual properties from Japanese and Western companies and deploying ransomware as a decoy to cover up their malicious activity. So threat analysis and secure work says that the use of ransomware in espionage operations is done to obscure the tracks and make attribution harder and create a powerful distraction for defenders. So finally, the exfiltration of the sensitive information is masked as financially motivated attack, which isn't the case with Chinese government espionage sponsored threat group. Now last news is related to Python. So researchers have discovered a number of malicious Python packages in the official third-party software repository that are engineered to exfiltrate AWS credentials and environmental variable to a publicly exposed endpoint. The list of the packages include loglib module, pyg module, pigrat, pigrata, pigrata utils, and hkg sol utils. And according to Sonatype security researchers AX Sharma, the packages and as well as endpoint have now been taken down. So this is good thing, but in future this kind of thing may also come. So always make sure whenever you are installing any library or whenever you are installing any Python package, then try to check out what are the course data being written over there. So that's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, comment down the feedback. You may subscribe because we are being hacking news on daily basis. So at last, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai.